What are you doing?
Hi.
Hi. Woohoo! They already went, Annabelle.
A little trunk here. No trunk and
I thought it was something with a little trunk.
Can I help you? Oh. Okay. Put that one down, then go get another car. Okay, go get another one. Okay.
No. It's an elephant.
Oh.
No, let's come over here.
Okay.
Okay, put that one right there. No, in the empty spot right there.
What's the house? Okay, fine.
You have to take it apart?
Okay, press the button.
No, let's not take it apart. No, let's not take it
Woo!
apart. That makes a big mess. Just leave it together.
Look at there. I see a baby elephant inside there.
Would you not need to go get him?
Yeah.
Woohoo! That guy already went. Woo!
I found your daddy.
Oh, you fixing this? Okay. Here, I'll fix that. There you go. I got it. You're good.
But someone could write him out.